After discovering this recipe, I only want to eat chicken like this. For this recipe, we'll need 3 chicken breasts, so I'll start by cutting them into this shape. You don't need to cut all the way through, it's more for the spices to blend with the chicken. Now we're going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to spread it very well. How do you cook chicken at home? I'll turn the chicken breasts over and repeat the process on the other side, seasoning with salt and pepper. I'll add wheat flour to this bowl and spread it out well. Next, we'll bread our chicken. I'll put one in and spread the flour on both sides. And let's do the same with the other chicken breasts. You guys, the result of this recipe will surprise you. Stay until the end and check it out. You won't regret it. Here in the pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir, letting the butter melt completely. Once that's done, I'll put the chicken breasts in and let them fry until golden brown. When these sides are fried, I'll turn them over to fry the other side. As they fry, I turn them over so that it browns evenly. Here, I'll add another tablespoon of butter, 5 cloves of chopped garlic, and stir and keep cooking. Now, I'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and stir well. I'll cover the pan and let fry for 2 minutes. After that time, I'll remove the lid, turn the chicken breasts over, and pour some of this delicious sauce on top. Finally, I'll throw in some chives to taste. Now all you have to do is remove it from the pan and serve. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon!